Welcome student in my math step by step class. In today's fraction part 17 we will do division of fractions, and in division of fraction you have to first know about reciprocal, or reciprocal means reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. Yes, now see, like question is there, 3 divided by 1 upon 2 equal to 3 into, see, look here, 1 upon 2 will become 2 upon 1. So this is the reciprocal. When we interchange position of numerator and denominator, that is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Right? 1 upon 2 become 2 upon 1. So this is reciprocal. So 3 into, in division we will change this division sign into multiplication and reverse the position of these fraction. So 3 into 2 upon 1, and then it will become 3 2 just 6 upon 1, and 1 is understood. No need to write 1 in denominator, so we will write only 6, and 6 is the answer. Right? Then next question, 1 upon 5 divided by 4, that is 1 upon 5 divided by, you have to change the position of that term which is after division sign. That 1 upon 5, this will not change, which is before division sign, into 4 upon 1 will become 1 upon 4, and then 1 1 ja 1 and 5 4 ja 20. Then 9 divided by 5 upon 8, same, 9 into 8 upon 5, 9 8 ja 72 upon 5, and then in QRD form this one. Right? Then 2 upon 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2 upon 8 into 1 upon 2, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, and answer will 1 upon 8. Right? These are very easy. Only you have to do one step, and you have to change the sign of this and do reciprocal, and you will do as you have done in multiplication, same. Next question I have taken is 4 upon 6, you can see, yes, 2 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 6. So 2 upon 3 divide into 6 upon 4. This will become 6 upon 4, and here see, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and again 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 will cancel, and answer will be 1. You can see the whole. Yes. The next question, 2 upon 7 divided by 1 upon 5, that is 2 upon 7 into 5 upon 1, that is 2 5 ja 10 upon 7, and improper fraction is there, so we will change it into mixed fraction. 7 1 ja 7, remainder 3, so I will write 1 3 upon 7. Next question, 2 upon 8 divided by 1 upon 3, that is 2 upon 8 into 3 upon 1. So 2 3 ja 6 and 8. Again they are cancelling with 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, and answer will be 3 upon 4. Next question, 3 upon 7 divided by 4, that is 3 upon 7 into 1 upon 4, that is 3 upon 28. So this is the answer, because we are not cancelling any number. HCF is 1, because then 2 upon 6 divided by 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 6 will remain as it is, into this will become reciprocal. Then 3 upon 2. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, and 3 1 ja 3, and 3 2 ja 6. So answer will be 1 upon 2. So do each and every question yourself. First understand it, and then do many questions from your book. And I hope all is clear to you. This is not so difficult. This is very easy. If you have understood multiplication, division is only you have to do one step, right? Or two step. One is you have to change the division sign into multiplication, and you have to do reciprocal of the next term. Okay, so keep revising, and please do practice. And if you have any problem, you can ask in comment section. And this division will help you, or this will be applicable for simplification of questions. So we will do some more questions in our next coming videos. So keep following and have a very good day. And I hope these classes are very fruitful for you, and I'm trying my best. So please like, share and subscribe my channel so that we can be together for many time. Okay, so have a nice day.